Yo, 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 yo. What it do? It is your boy Youngest in Charge coming out today with another video. So, I'm going to say this. Please watch this full video. This is one of the most important things and discussions I'm going to have with you guys, okay? Now, I won't be on here much no more, but I'm going to get into that. I'm going to work into this video topic, right? Appreciate everyone tapping in. All my social links are in my YouTube bio. You guys already know that. We're still pushing out CPN packages, trade lines, primaries. We're doing half off on bills for November and December. For the holidays, I'm giving back, so make sure you guys tap in on that. We have about 22K, 22,000 we can use on the CCs we got to do bill pay. So it's going to be first come, first serve, but only one bill per person. So make sure it's a bill you really need paid, whether it's your rent, car note. We'll help you out. One person, one bill pay per person until we're out of the limit. But guys, what I want to discuss today is some truths about life that you really need to understand. I really want you guys to understand. So if you guys are my age, early 20s to up until like 25, really all the way into your 20s, but once you get to your later 20s, you should already know this. But so I have a range of people that hit me up, right? A couple days ago, I had a guy hit me up. He said he's been homeless for a year. He really needs something to shade, blah, blah, blah. We're working on this package. But the gist I want you guys to get from this, because a lot of you guys hit me up saying similar things, whether you're fucked up, you're broke, this, that, third, you got laid off, all this bullshit. You guys have to realize it's your fault. That's the first thing you really have to realize. It's your fault. Whatever position you're in life, it's your fault. Now, before you get mad and click off the video, or you can get mad and click off, I don't give a fuck. It's your fault. Anything that happens to you in life is your fault. Life is the input-output machine. So if you're 35 right now, this guy, one of the guys 35, he's homeless. You have to realize that is your fault that you're homeless, man. It really is. I'm explaining to you right now why it's your fault. Because shit like that happens. You guys will always want to blame people that are in bad situations in life. They always want to blame someone else. Put the blame on this person, that person. That's why I just said it's your fault. Because the second you accept that is the second you'll be able to change it. But if you can't accept that it's your fault, then you can't change it. It's not the president's fault. Oh, the president, he's fucking up all the jobs. He's fucking up the economy. None of that shit matters. Because that's to be expected. This is for all my young niggas, my young people out here. I'm not going to say that. I'm going to say all my young guys out here. Females too. Life is coming. Problems, hardships, economy crashes, it's all coming. It's not the end. It's going to be here 20 years from now. The same things are going to happen. It's your responsibility to prepare for these things. It's your responsibility to prepare so you're not fucked, you're not homeless when you're older. If you do end up homeless, again, it's your fault. Life is an input-output machine. So whatever you put into it is what you're getting out of it. So when the economy crashes and you have no job, you haven't had a job in years, you haven't been saving money, whose fault is that, G? It's your fault. A lot of you guys text me you're broke or you got laid off. Your fault still. We're going to take it back. Okay. When you were born, right? You have to go to school. Now, all you guys that are broke, right? Tell me this. Did you get good grades in school? Majority of you guys are probably going to say, no, I didn't get good grades either. That's cool. But that's the first thing. A lot of you guys, I'm sure half of you guys probably don't even have a high school diploma. Okay? So that's one thing. That was free. School, when you're a kid, is free. It's something they make everybody do. So if you don't even have your high school diploma, boom, that's one thing you didn't do, you didn't finish, you didn't care about. You didn't take life serious when you was younger. So then you're going to have an output later on in life that's going to reflect that. That's the first thing. So a lot of you guys that don't even have a high school diploma, there's where you went wrong when you was a fucking kid. A lot of you guys are going to go wrong when you're a kid because, like I said, hard times are coming. Life is the input-output machine. If you're not inputting anything in, you're not going to get much out. So that's the first thing. Second thing, maybe you did graduate high school. Great. You have your diploma. But did you go to college? Oh, no, you didn't go to college. Okay. So now when you get older, you're not going to have any of those career options. You're not going to have any of those job options. That's your choice, G. Now, I know college costs, and a lot of people don't have the cost. Okay, take it back to the high school. You didn't get good grades. You didn't take it serious. Then now you can't get into college because you don't have the money. Okay, that's your fault. All your fault, G. Everything I'm listening right now, all your fault. But again, some people can go be a truck driver. Some people can go be a plumber or construction. I'm going to say plumber or construction. You can go do that. You didn't go to college when you were 20, 21, 18. You didn't want to go to college. Okay. At least you went to your construction job or your truck driving job. You start getting money that way. But again, that's like a third of the population. How many of you guys did that? I guarantee you, a third of you. There's another mistake. Weren't working, weren't saving money. You don't have to work or go to school now. That's not my point I'm making. I'm just saying, you guys that are complaining, you guys make excuses way too much. So you didn't, either you did or didn't graduate high school. If you didn't, you're already behind. If you graduated high school, good. But did you go to college? No. Did you get a job after high school? No. You were partying, hanging out with your friends. Okay. 4 years pass, the economy crashes. Now you're fucked up. Your fault. Your fault. Your fault. It's all your fault. You didn't prepare. You have to prepare for the fucking future. If you don't prepare now when you're young, to all my young guys, all my young ladies, if you're not preparing now for the future, you are going to be fucked. Just like the guy, one of the clients I'm working with that's homeless right now. He's in his mid-30s, almost late 30s, and he's homeless. That's no disrespect to bro. Much love, and I hope he gets out of that situation. But at the end of the day, nobody feels bad for you. I don't. And if you feel bad for yourself, you're holding yourself back. I sympathize for you because when I was around 18, right before I turned 18 to like a little bit after 19, I was homeless. Sleeping in cars, sleeping at homies' cribs. I get it. But you know why I was homeless? Because I didn't know anything. I didn't know how to make money. I had no skill set. I had no knowledge about making money. That was my fault. But of course, I was young. So that's just the point I'm trying to make. If you're still homeless, that means you don't have, you didn't prepare, dude. You don't know anything. You have to learn. Either go to school, go to work. Again, you're on my channel. This is what my channel is for. People that don't want to go to work, people that don't want to go to school. You can't just sit there, though. That's the first thing. You cannot just sit there if you're not going to work or you're not going to school. You have to learn something else. This is the shit you need to be learning. Now, this is the third option. Guys that don't go to work, don't go to school, probably hanging on the block. I get it. I'm a nigga too. But do that shit for 5-6 years. Hang on the block. Go to all these parties. Go to the club. Spend your time drinking, smoking. You see, I don't smoke no more. I don't drink no more. I work out every day. I read. I learn new skills every day because I'm preparing for the future. So I don't have every day to post, y'all. Because you don't have time to do that every day. You have to be learning. You have to be increasing your knowledge, increasing your muscle, your health, your wealth. Prepare for the future. So if you're not trying to go to school, you're not trying to go to work, get on YouTube. The internet today in 2025, about to be 2026, is the new college. If you want to be rich, you want to be financially stable, the internet is your best place to go if you're not trying to go to school or go to work. Learn a skill on the internet off YouTube. That's why I keep trying to tell you guys about not even just CPNs. That's just one little jug. That's one little jug. Now, I'm working on making a separate YouTube channel for this. Just doing some more research. But crypto, that is the next wave. You know how CPNs got me lit? Crypto gonna get me rich. Rich. Okay? But I'll go into making the YouTube channels and how I'm gonna do it once I have some more understanding. And, once I have the millions to prove it. You see what I'm saying? Right now we're just working, building, saving, what everybody should be doing. So when you guys hit me up and act like you don't even have $200 to your name, that shows me exactly everything I need to know about you. You're a time waster. That's why I block a lot of people. When you guys hit me up wasting my time, I'll just block you. Because, when you waste time, it shows me you're a time waster. Or you don't even have $200 saved up, it shows me you're a time waster. Guys, read the fucking book, The Richest Man in Babylon. That'll help you guys out a lot with your finances. Whenever you get fucking paid, take 10% and put that away. Do not spend it. Never touch it. So if you're going to work, you make $1,000 a week. Every week you get that $1,000. You take out $100 for yourself. That is called your savings, and you never touch it. Say you're getting paid $1,000 a week and they decrease it to $900. Are you going to really notice? No. You're just going to budget in what you do make. Same thing. You don't need the whole $1,000. Take $100, put it up each time you get paid. If you would have been doing that for 3 months, you'd have fucking $200 to send for something that's going to better your life. But you don't because you're not saving your money. You're not taking life fucking serious. Take this shit fucking serious and you'll get good results. That's just what I want you guys to know, man. Like, it's a lot of information that I've personally been learning, and I'm trying to figure out how to just get it to you guys. I really want to upgrade my course, and I'm going to start charging maybe more for it just because we have so much new sauce in there. But guys, get serious about fucking life. Stop playing around. Stop making excuses, or your ass is going to be fucking broke and homeless when you're in your late 30s, early 40s. No bitch, no female, I'm sorry, no wife. Because you don't want no hoe, you want a wife. No wife, no husband, if you're a female. Bums. You're gonna attract a bum because you're a bum. And you're a bum because you chose to be a bum. You didn't choose to invest in yourself. You didn't choose to invest in your learning, invest in your future. Invest in your future, guys, and you'll see good results. See what I'm saying? A lot of you guys are not seeing good results in your future, or you guys don't have good results now because you didn't take care of yourself when you were younger. And a lot of you guys are way older than me because I see my channel analytics. You guys are like in your 34s to 44 range is like the biggest percentage of people who watch me. So you guys are way older than me and you still don't have your shit together. And I'm not trying to talk down on you guys. I'm just trying to motivate you and inspire you. It's time to get busy, y'all. Okay? So I know it's been a minute since you guys see me come on here and drop games straight to you, but it's because I'm busy. When you guys see me posting the video, someone asked me why one of the videos didn't have sound. I didn't have time to put sound on it, G. That's how busy I am. That's how busy you should be. If you're not going to work, you're not going to school, read a new book every day. Learn a new skill every day. Learn how to code. That's currently what I'm doing. I'm learning different languages. I already learned HTML, C++. I'm learning Python right now. And that's going to help with some other stuff I have going on. But learn skills that are going to make you money, increase your knowledge, increase your net worth out in the marketplace, okay? Take life serious, guys, and you're going to get good results. Don't take it serious. You're going to end up fucked up. That's the main point of this video, okay? So I'll be at you guys with some more videos. I just wanted to get that out there because I was thinking about it today. It's like, man, I really need to drop some game on them. So I appreciate that. Guys, hit me up if you're ready to get your CPN made, ready for some trade lines, ready for some primaries. You're really trying to get some money, go cop a pre-made. Let's get these iPhone 17s in the bag. I want you guys to make some money so you can start investing in other shit in your life, okay? Stop wasting my time. If you waste my time, you're getting blocked. It's all love, but you're getting blocked. I don't got time for it. You shouldn't have time to fucking waste, okay? When you're ready, hit me the fuck up. My pricings is on my Instagram. It's on my Telegram. So don't be asking me all these 1,000 questions. If you're not ready to go, hit me up when you're ready to go, all right? It's your boy Youngest. You already know what it is. You need a bag ready to change your life? Tap in with the Get Money Boys. We getting you right, all right? All right, man. I'll see y'all boys in the next video. Make sure you're safe while you was out there stacking that pay. Make sure you were improving your motherfucking life, all right? All right. I'll see y'all boys in the next video. It was your boy Youngest in charge. Get Money Boys. Gang.